Assalamualaikum students. Today we will continue chapter number 4, multiplication and division. Till now in this chapter we learn word problems which is based on multiplication. In today's lecture we are going to learn new point, pairing of objects from two groups in different ways. Pairing of objects from two groups in different ways. We have to form a pair of objects from two groups. Let's see the examples. See here the first example. Ajay wants to travel light. So he took with him 3 shirts, one red, one green and one blue, and 2 pairs of trousers, one white, one black. How many different ways does he have of pairing of a shirts with trousers? Here Ajay want to travel light. So he take 3 shirts and 2 trousers. Here we have to find that how many different types will he pairing the shirts and pants. So see, here we writing S for shirt and T for trousers. So see, the possible different pairs are, first we make a pairs with black trousers, So see, red shirt, black trousers, green shirt, black trousers, blue shirt, black trousers. Now we make the pair with white trousers. Red shirt, white trouser, green shirt, white trouser, blue shirt, white trousers. So how many pairs? There are 6 pairs. Altogether 6 different pairs. Now see the next example. Next example is, Suresh has 3 balls of different colors marked as A, B and C, and 3 bats marked as P, Q and R. He wishes to take only one bat and one ball to the playground. In how many ways can he pair off a ball and a bat to take with him? Here Suresh has 3 balls. And 3 bats. Balls A, B, C and bats P, Q and R. So the question is, he wished to take only one bat and one ball to the playground. So here we have to find how many pairs will he form. So first we make a pair. See, first we make a pair, ball A with bat P, bat Q and bat R. Now we make a pair, ball B with bat P, bat Q and bat R. Now make a pair of ball C with bat P, bat Q and bat R. See here, ball A pair with bat P, Q and R, B with P, Q and R, C with P, Q and R. So how many different pairs have been shown here? 9 pairs. How many pairs? 9 pairs. Now see the next one. Next example is, the 3 friends Sanju, John and Ali went to the fair, a shop. There had 5 different types of hats. Each of the boys had photos taken of himself wearing every type of hat. In turn, find how many photographs were taken in all. There are 3 friends, Sanju, John and Ali, and there are 5 different types of cap. How many caps? 5 caps. So everyone want to take a photo with each cap. So here we have to find photographs were taken in all. How many photographs? Here we have to find how many photographs were taken in all. That means total photograph. So first see here, Sanju, John and Ali take a photo with first cap one by one. Then Sanju, John and Ali take a photograph with second cap one by one. In the same way, they take some photos in each cap. So how many pairs will be formed? Let's count. See here. Here 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. How many pairs form? 15 pairs. How many pairs form? 15. See, there are total 15 photographs. They take 15 photographs in all. Here you have understood that how to pair the objects. Now see the next one. See here take two collections, each containing the given number of objects. Make as many different pairs as possible, taking one object from each collection every time. Thus complete the table below. So here it gives two types of collection, object in one collection and object in other collection. Here we have to find how many ways to form the pairs. So here it just gives the number of collection and we have to find how many ways to form the pairs. We have to find the number of pairs. So see, in the first collection there are 3 objects, and in the second collection there are 2 objects. So here we have to multiply 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. See, in the previous example, if you observe, see, if you multiply 3 by 5, there are how many caps? 5 caps. So if you multiply 3 by 5, so we get 15. 3 5s are 15. See, in the second example, here there are 3 balls and 3 beds. So if you multiply 3 by 3, we get 9. See, in the first one there are 3 shirts and 2 trousers. So if you multiply 3 by 2, so we get 6. Have you understood? So in the same way, if you multiply here number of object in one collection to the number of object in the second collection, we get the number of pairs. So see, here 5 2s are 10. Then 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. So in this way we can make the pairs. There are, now see, what do you understand? What does this table tells us? See, this table tells us the number of different pairs formed by pairing of objects from two groups. The number of different pairs formed by pairing of objects from two groups is equal to the product of the number of objects in the two groups is equal to the product of the number of objects in two groups. Here we completed this topic.